20 minutes. Oh, okay. So, hey guys. Ouch. Okay, I was gonna make this like a vlog type setting, but I still set up the camera on the tripod and all that anyway. But I just got home and I'm just gonna kind of rush into this because I don't want to take up any more time. Yesterday when I came home, I was pleased to see that this box came in, and I think this is gonna be my first unboxing video, but my products finally came, and this is from Melaninhaircare line. I don't know if you could see the title, probably not. I just want to hurry up and open it with you guys instead of opening it myself and then talk about it later. But yeah, I'm so excited it finally came in. I saw numerous amount of video reviews on Melaninhaircare for the past week now, and I was just like, oh, so that means, oh yeah, February's coming up, that means I should get mine soon. And I was very pleased that it actually came before February. If you don't know, Melaninhaircare is founded by the one and only OG of the natural hair community on YouTube, Natural85, aka Whitney, or Whitney, aka Natural85. Well, her and her sister came up with this line, and they've taken, I'm sorry, my jaw is like numb because it's so cold outside. Like, it's probably in the single digits right now, but I'm trying to talk and it's not really working. But yeah, they took a while to come out with their products, their product line, because they wanted to make sure it was as authentic and exact, or I should say natural. It was just they wanted to make sure that it was exactly the way they wanted it to be. As my jaw defrosts, I'm going to open it and let you guys see what I got. But yeah, I'm so proud of Whitney. I'm so proud of her family. I'm so happy for them that they're taking this next step in their careers, for their business. Like, I'm just so happy for all of them, and of course I'm going to give my support whenever I can, wherever I can. So when she announced that she was coming out with this, I was like, yes, order, check. Okay, so I opened one side. I don't know if it matters which side I open, but already I'm seeing the logo printed all over. And it's wrapped up nicely in this bubble wrap. Okay. So I got my shipping label here. Oh, for UPS. I really am impressed with the packaging so far. How much care they put into it. Ooh, this is cute. Oh, you get a lollipop. Is it real? Yeah. Oh wow, oh, wow. It's strawberry. StrawberryHillCandy.com. This is so cute because it's black. This is so cute. I don't know. I will give it to my children, but they're gonna fight over it. So I might eat it, or I might just keep it as a souvenir. But that's it. And maybe I should. I don't want to move the camera. But this is it. This is what first comes up. It's a little, I guess, postcard. There's a couple of them. First one is of Whitney. Gorgeous. I'm definitely going to keep this. Definitely need to stash this. So here's the front. And here's the back. Let me see if I can quickly read through this. So it says zoom. I can't talk, remember? I can't believe it's finally here. What's up, guys? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support of my new hair care line, Melaninhaircare. Can you believe it? My secret labor of love is finally in your hands. This box contains years of hard work and dedication in order to create a product line that not only I, but you as well, can be proud of. I've thought of you every step of the way, from the ingredients and price points to packaging and availability. I set out to make this line one that would benefit our entire community as a whole. This product line is not a collaboration, it is not a ventured partnership, nor is it repackaged or spoon-fed product formulas. This is the hard work, due diligence, and scrappy perseverance of my sister and myself from beginning to end and everything in between. I truly hope that you enjoy your products. With love, Whitney White, Natural 85. Aww. And I can tell that she wrote this herself. Like, that's what I really like about Whitney, Natural 85. Like, from the beginning, she's always been herself. She's never merged, she never changed. If anything, I saw her confidence come out more over the years, but she's always been herself and true to herself and transparent, and I really like her about that. I really like that about her. On the side it says, hey there, hashtag Melanin Babe. We can't wait to see what beautiful hairstyles you create. Be sure to tag your high resolution photos with Melanin, with @melaninhaircare, and use the hashtags #melaninhaircare, #melaninbae, and you could be featured on our page. And then there's a website on the bottom. As I'm reading all this, I will be sure to post that on the screen. And oh, sorry, and we're suckers for you. She's talking about the lollipop. This is on the back of the first postcard. Hey there, Melanin Bae. We can't wait to see what sweet hairstyles you create. We'll be rounding up our favorites, so to be featured, make sure you tag your high resolution photos. It's pretty much the same information. Alright, so now let's get to the juicier stuff. That just was a nice intro. I love that. I love that. Alright, so the first product I got is this right here. And it was, or it is, let me make sure I get the right wording. Does it say? The Melanin Stretch Logo Visor. So yes, this is a visor, and it's actually really stretchy. I'll definitely be wearing this more when the spring and summer comes, but actually I'll probably wear it now too, especially when I do my errands. But on one side it does have Melanin in the same font written out, right? Yep, Melanin. And on the other side, well, on the visor, it has N85, which of course stands for Natural 85. And I love that it's black, because for me, I'm very simple. If I could have just one thing, let it just be a neutral color that I could wear with anything. So my head in particular, I feel is a big head. So let me make sure that it fits good. Okay, sorry, like it's literally 4:20 right now, so the sun is going down, but I don't know if you can see, I'm wearing black. Sorry, I just can't help myself. But yeah, this looks pretty cute. It feels soft. I like the quality. It's like a, I guess, polyester quality. Oh, I love it already. So that's the first one. The next item, which is also the last, is, let me get the right name, her Melanin Stretch, sorry, her Melanin Logo Head Wrap. Alright. So it's nice and folded in a big square, but I might need to back up a little bit. Alright, I don't know if I could get all of this in the camera. I really don't feel like getting the measuring tape either, but I'll put the measurements in the description box below. But it is pretty darn big. It looks like a huge, it's a square shaped, right? Yeah, I think it's it's a square shape, and it has all over it Melanin and N85 written all over it. I'm not sure what the fabric is. It feels like it could be cotton, I guess. Then again, I'm bad with my fabrics. Well, it doesn't say, but I would definitely wear this for styling purposes, not so much for sleeping. I definitely will be using this for styling purposes, because I want to get into more head wraps. Like, I'm bad at wrapping my head in terms of a style. Like, I'll attempt to, and it either won't, let me turn the light. Yeah, and it either won't stick, or it'll be floppy, or I just don't do it right altogether, or maybe I just don't have the right type of scarf. But I'm definitely going to be looking up some video tutorials on how to wrap it, and let me know too if you want to watch, if you want to see me do that. Okay, so my camera just cut off on me and I can't find the footage. However, that's pretty much it, guys. If there's anything that you have any questions about, make sure you leave it in the comment box below. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, and also make sure you check out Melanin Hair Care. I put up the website on the screen as well as the description box. Make sure you show Whitney and her sister some love and support and all that good stuff.